Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix not enough Sol on Phantom Wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now this issue can happen if you're trying to deal with meme coins and you're trying to sell them and buy them again for profit, but you don't have enough Sol on your account to pay for the fees. So all you have to do is search down until you find Solana. And now Phantom Wallet made it very easy for you to just buy it straight up with cash. So all you have to do is click on cash buy. And then from here, all you have to do is set however much amount you would like. So for example, $25. And then from here, you're going to click on continue. Now from here, it's going to send you to MoonPay, where all you have to do here is fill in your credit card information and buy for example, $10 or $15 more worth of Sol. This will help you go through the transaction for the basic fees, but all you have to do is create an account first by signing into one of your Google accounts and then verifying your identity in case you have large purchases. But that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.